It seems fine.
Coming, it's getting ready to run you over. I hope you're ready. What? You got extras?
Jeez, right. Michael, the fuel system white.
Come a little for a little. Come a little for a little.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think. It's leaking coolant too. Really bad.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I told you. Here, I'll just hold that. Wow. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it runs great.
Really want to put the front end on and put all the interior shit on.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't want to do that until we get everything hooked up. Or just 2 batteries in the trunk.
Ooh. There's a lot of science in here.
Yeah, a lot of yeah, science, sure.
Uh-huh.
A lot of guessing, hoping that it's thinking, but not knowing.
Hypotheses is what they call them.
Hoping.
I'm not worried about it at all.
Am
I a scientist?
Rocket! It's been 2 years since I put that switch there and made this car run.
There's beer in the fridge if you help yourself.
I'm sure it'll be a car eventually. All the money's over here. And over here. Look at this cool panel I didn't film us making for some reason.
Oh, it's there. It's real.
But there it is. Would you?
Oh, sorry.
Every time. I didn't say action.
I'm gonna fake it.
No.
I'm gonna go to the edge and then pull some more.
What? Yeah, there, yeah.
Look at the back.
Look at the gauge again. You just put it upside down. Is it at the right angle or not?
Yeah, let's go that.
Oh, good.
Get the one that's all discombobulated.
Why would we want to be
The
legit?
plastics Empire Special. See, right now it's not even at 0.
Wow. What kind of operation are you running around here?
Shitty one.
Oh God, you didn't film that, did you?
Absolutely. Was your angle too angly or not angly enough?
It was pretty close, but not perfect. missing the mark.
Yeah, I went to bed that night a little horrified.
But committed. Resolved.
I was like, I got my jorts ready. Gonna fight me some Rooskies.
Grow a goddamn mustache. Yes.
Art thou feeling it now, Mr. White?
My dad's Mr. White.
The Mr. Roger White. You know you got a day named after him?
Yes, I know. He got a day named after him.
I didn't know that.
He did. In Hoquiam.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, he-
Roger White Day.
He's a real American hero.
12th, I think.
No.
Ah. Shit, man.
I can't see it.
I can't either.
Oh, I can't see it. It's gonna go to right there. Here, what's it say? Oh, it's just.
I don't know. I'm looking at the backside.
We'll try it. We'll see. This is my. I'm thinking we can get away with just leaving that alone. But I have to cut the corners and then bend the ends.
Don't start now.
All right. Well, I'd really like to see this panel in here after all that hard work. But it's like 11 p.m. Yeah, the starting video was 2 years ago. This is where we're at now. But we're getting places.